Hey my lovelies, so yes, let's get into this beautiful wig from Wig Fever. This is their wear and go straight wig in 24 inches and 180% density. The wig did come pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached, y'all. This wig is so soft and thick. Like, look at that hairline. I just love the fact that the wig comes with so many goodies that you will need to make this wig install so easy. So of course I go in with my foundation that I purchased from my local beauty supply store and just rub it all over the hairline and on my wig cap just to give it a natural look. When they said this wig was put on and go, that's exactly what it is. Just put the wig on and go, y'all. I was so shook.
To think I wouldn't disappear from your life. Watch me.
Like, if I wanted to stop here and just comb the wig out, I could, because it was so beautifully laid and everything. Because you're not finna just sit here and tell me that this is not my hair, because what wig? So I decided to go with the side part. I'm kind of getting bored with the middle part, so we're gonna try the side part out and just see what it gives.
To my job now. Oh, you realize what you lost now. I been pressure never stop now, but I'm way too good at goodbyes. Bet you thought grass was green on that other whole side. Guess what? I'ma help you decide. Tattooed on my tears, no, I swear that you won't catch me cry. Got no reasons left to rewind. I gave you my word. Try it again, I'll put you on a bench, do not disturb. To think I used to dream of being your wife. Cold-blooded. Boy, I'm cold-blooded. Cold-blooded. All this blue ice water in my veins. Memorial service in your name. Cold-blooded. Maybe you only want what you can't have. Never seem to be satisfied till it all goes bad. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had? It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. give someone else a chance. Why should I sit here waiting on you? I am in a forever or never type of mood. It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break. I wanted.
Y'all, this wig turned out so beautiful. So beautiful with the minimum work that needs to be done. That is what I love. So everything about this wig will be in the description box below. With that being said, I hope I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.